What is going on, guys? It is a casual Wednesday. Not only am I playing the game, but also I am up fat, guys. We're gonna run through my accounts right now and show you guys my 3 funded accounts, the balance of them, how much money we made today, and let's quickly go into it. Computers charts already down, guys. It's only 11, basically noon. I finished a couple hours ago. I ran some errands, did some stuff, but guys, close down the screen. Now we get to enjoy ourselves, relax, play the game if we like, and that's what we're about to do. So, I want to show you guys one thing. This is our main account, our main funded account, meaning our first funded account, one that we do baby, one that we do take care of and make sure we don't blow it or take too big of a loss. Guys, I can take a $3,100 payout, or sorry, $3,250 payout, trying to max it out, and then again, now I know it looks like my phone screen, it's just a screen case, or it's just a case. It's not actually correct. This is my second account, guys. Balance at $3,000. I'm up $1,000, say. So that's $2,000 right there, right? Then this is my third account, third funded account. This is my YOLO account. This is the one that I go heavy in. I just go all in, hella minis. And guys, we're at $1,400 fucking dollars. $4,000 balance. Again, I can pull out half of that balance, $2,000. So I can pay myself quite a lot of money if I would like to, which we'll do a video of that later. But so far, guys, our main account is up pretty nicely. So just want to show you guys that. Now we're gonna play some games here soon too. Just want to make this quick video. Freaking killing, guys. We're gonna be making payouts massively here soon. We're going to be showing those payouts. We're also gonna keep trading and just make massive money, guys. So catch you guys on the next one, man.